Welcome to this Vizard walkthrough where I'll show you exactly how to turn your long-form videos into high-performing snackable clips. If you've been testing out AI video tools, you know the market is crowded with flashy promises, but many of them feel like generic templates on autopilot. Vizard really stands out because it doesn't just generate random footage, it actually analyzes your content to find the moments that truly matter. Beyond just editing, it handles the scheduling and management side of things, so you don't have to manually upload every single clip. To get started, head over to their homepage where you'll find a clean, straightforward interface designed to get you up and running immediately. If you are new here, just click the sign up button, enter your details, and you'll have full access to the platform without jumping through any weird hoops. Once you are logged in, you'll see the projects area, which is the heart of your workflow where you upload your raw files. Whether you are importing YouTube links, MP4s, or Zoom recordings, the AI goes to work instantly to analyze your footage for key highlights. The auto-editing area is where the magic happens, slicing your long content into viral-ready segments based on engagement signals. You also have a full content calendar and auto-schedule function, so you can map out your entire social media presence without leaving the site. Let's run through a quick example using a 20-minute tutorial video I recently uploaded. Vizard takes just a minute to process the file and then presents a tray of suggested clips, each with a confidence score for potential virality. You can easily tweak your in and out points or change the aspect ratio to suit different platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. I usually set my framing to 9:16 for mobile reels, ensuring a consistent look across all my vertical content. The AI is great at spotting punchlines and highlights, but you can always manually refine the clips if you want to emphasize a different moment. The built-in editor is incredibly intuitive, letting you jump to the most emotional or actionable sections with the highlight picker. Captions are automatic and surprisingly accurate, which saves me a massive amount of time compared to transcribing them myself. When it comes to styling, Vizard offers professional templates, so your clips never look raw or unpolished. You can add animated captions, branded intros, or even generate a thumbnail with just a single click. Setting default styles per project is another one of my favorite features because it keeps your fonts and colors consistent across everything you post. Now, unlike some other AI tools that create footage from scratch, Vizard is built specifically for creators who already have high-quality content. Other tools might give you cinematic AI art, but they don't help you manage a recurring content pipeline like this does. It eliminates the need to stitch 5 different tools together, saving you countless hours every single week. Let's take a closer look at the scheduling flow, which is arguably the biggest game changer for your productivity. Once your clips are ready, you can set your posting cadence and let the auto-schedule feature populate your calendar with the best times. You can even assign specific clips to specific platforms, ensuring your TikToks are shorter and your educational content stays on YouTube. The content calendar view makes it super easy to drag and drop your posts if you need to rearrange your schedule on the fly. If you are working with a team, you can easily set up approval steps to make sure everything is perfect before it goes live. The free tier is a fantastic place to start testing out features, while the Pro plan unlocks higher output and more advanced branding. For serious creators handling multiple channels, the time you save by automating these tasks makes the Pro plan pay for itself instantly. Here is a quick tip. Use the auto-suggested clips as a starting point because they usually nail the best highlights. Also, don't forget to shorten your intros because you have about 2 seconds to hook the viewer before they scroll away. Always review and edit your captions for punchiness, even if the AI is accurate, because short text is often easier to read. Take advantage of the platform's templates as they are specifically tuned to perform well on social media algorithms. I highly recommend batch scheduling a week's worth of content at once so you can stay consistent without the daily grind. I have seen other tools that are great for creative imagery, but they fail to help you turn a long podcast into a week of social content. Vizard is laser-focused on the creator pipeline, making it easier to scale your output without complicating your setup. One cool trick is to create separate projects for different content themes, which helps the AI learn your style preferences over time. After you post, definitely check the analytics to see which clips performed best so you can lean into those styles for your next session. In my typical workflow, I take a 40-minute live stream, run the auto edit, and have a whole week of posts scheduled in under half an hour. That level of productivity gain is exactly why I recommend you try the free plan and upload a couple of your own long videos. Play around with the highlight selector and experiment with different templates to see what fits your brand voice best. I have also put together some advanced tutorials on batch workflows if you want to really dive deep into content strategy. Thanks so much for watching this walkthrough, and if you found it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Head over to Vizard.ai to start your free trial and leave a comment below letting me know what kind of videos you are turning into shorts. I love seeing the creative ways you all use these tools, so go make some content and I will see you in the next one.